Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Walkie-talkie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the frequency language button. And here you can set your language. I am going to set it to English, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.